Hey friends, it's Eric Hart at RotoClean Services. I am at a house in East Memphis, Tennessee that is going on the market, and I noticed yesterday on the Zillow listing in the little place where the realtor has a chance to list things that they love about the home, this listing agent said that he or she loved the marble entry here. Well, if you loved it before, wait till I get done with it. You're really gonna love it. It's been through some abuse. Hey, it's a floor, you know, we expect that, but that's what RotoClean's here for. I'm gonna refinish this floor using diamonds, and I'm gonna make it look awesome. Come and check out what it looks like now before I get started. So there's almost no clarity. Can't hardly see what's in the reflection. Really foggy. And that is due to all the scratches in the floor. Keeps it from being reflective. And now that everything is properly masked off, to avoid damage to adjacent areas because RotoClean cares, we are getting ready to get started. All right, everybody. That was some hard work, but I'm finished. Y'all come check it out. And there's the finished product. Told y'all it was gonna be popping. Ooh.